alive. Bridges are in the green.
I think I'm gonna recline the chair to the back.
Go for it.
Rise altimeter 3008. 3008.
Automated weather observation 1346 Zulu. Wind 050 at 07. Visibility 10. Sky condition clear. Temperature 23 Celsius. Dew point 20 Celsius. Altimeter 3010.
West 2050, descend and maintain 3000.
3000, Southwest 2050.
Air 4 Romeo, Romeo, contact Sarasota Tower 120.1.
120.1, take care.
This woman speaks fast. Oh my god.
At airport, roll out.
Roll out heading 320, J50.
Southwest 2050, turn left heading 170, join the runway 14, final approach course, maintain 2000.
Winter Tower, Cherokee 22336, 10 miles south of field, inbound at 1100, full stop. Cherokee 22336.
Cherokee 22336, Winter Tower, wind 060 at 9er, altimeter 3011, enter a right downwind for runway 7.
Right downwind for runway 7, Cherokee 22336. Okay, that's what I thought. Okay. Going through the water.
265, runway 7, clear to land.
If we have an engine out here, we're in trouble. But we have the life vest there, right? Because we cannot glide anymore.
Number 911
But they force me to be
060 at 9er, altimeter 3011, enter right down
1100.
180, understand you're full stopping?
Hey, room 180.
I start flapping.
Okay, I got focused. Okay, where's the airport? That's a good question. Should be right there somewhere. Right by the water.
336, bring it right to a right base for runway 7.
Oh, right base, sorry, to runway 7, Cherokee 22336. Right base. I don't even know what right base is. I cannot even see the freaking thing. That's the problem. I don't even know. Oh, maybe that's the airport over there. Right there on the by the water.
Yeah. That's how it looks like.
Okay.
Holy cow.
Number 336, runway 7, clear to land.
Runway 7, clear to land, Cherokee 22336.
And King Air 42 Bravo, still waiting on your release.
Any idea on the delay?
I can't see anything out there that's keeping you from taking off.
Alrighty.
I know what they did. They're opening up a different sector, so your departure frequency now is going to be 125.3.
25-3, Portrait Bravo.
There's 336, you're going to runway 36.
Oop,
36.
Just continue your right turn into the right downwind for runway 7.
Why is it? I'm totally confused.
Number 336, did you copy?
Copy that, Cherokee 22336.
Number 336, just head due south and I'll let you know when you can turn back to the west for your downwind.
We'll head due south, Cherokee 22336.
180, why don't you give me about a 20-degree turn to the left, please?
20 to the left, 180.
Goes the wrong runway. Shit.
Where is another runway?
Okay, Nemo, I gotta focus now.
336, your traffic to follow is at your 1 o'clock in a mile at 900 feet at Cherokee. Do you have that traffic?
Looking for traffic, Cherokee 22336.
Roger, you need to go due southbound. You're turning towards the traffic. I told you to go due south.
Traffic inside, going due south, Cherokee 22336.
And 180 is traffic following inside, no factor.
180, roger, runway 7, clear to land.
Clear to land, 180.
336, just following behind that traffic. That'll be your traffic to follow.
We'll follow that traffic to runway 7, Cherokee 22336. Okay, I'm downwind now. I'm supposed to be 7. Where is the hell? Oh, it's the wrong one. I see what he's saying, yeah.
Number 336, you are number 2, runway 7, clear to land.
Number 2, clear to 7, runway 7, Cherokee 22336.
Number 336, do you still have that traffic in sight?
Lost it, Cherokee 22336.
Okay, number 336, give me about a 20-degree turn to your left.
20-degree left, Cherokee 22336.
Okay, number 336, your spacing looks good now. You can join the final for runway 7, clear to land.
Join for final, runway 7, clear to land, Cherokee 22336.
Kinger 42 Bravo, I just got your release. I got one on short final, then I'll get you out of here.
Alright, roger that, 3742 Bravo.
You going to the FBO?
That is affirmative, Cherokee 22336.
Roger, turn left on Bravo, then a left turn on Delta, taxi via Delta to the ramp, ground point when you come back out.
Left on Bravo and on Delta, and contact ground, Cherokee 22336. I hope he's not going to give me a violation.
Why?
Because I was going the wrong runway.
But it's not that you did it on purpose.
It doesn't matter, but he caught it, it's the thing.
Yeah. And he was very nice, the guy.
And you confused me a little bit when he said, oh, it's 36, yeah, because he said go 360, and he said, yeah, it's 36. No. And for a second, I got confused in